Good afternoon, my name is Ayesha C. Balbuena. I'm from ST11P7 and I'm going to tackle about optimization. So as you can read, optimization comes from the same root as optimal, which means best. When you optimize something, you are making it best. Both maximizing and minimizing are types of optimization. So in optimization, we are looking for larger or the largest value or smallest value. So we only have four methods to answer optimization. We need to substitute the derivative, find the derivative, and equate to zero. And lastly, find the critical values. Just for an example. So this is the example number 1. So find the two real numbers whose sum is 50 such that their product is maximum. So let x be the first value and let y be the second value. So our working equations are x plus y equals to 50. But what is said man nga? To find also their product maximum. To get the product maximum, we need to times. We need to multiply x and y. So we need to use this formula. X times y equals to the product maximum. With this formula, ato siya i-transpose. So meaning to say, ma-negative ang x. After that, after transposing, ato i-substitute siya by using this formula na. So x, copy this, the y, so 50 minus x equals to p. To answer this, we need to simplify by distributing. So to distribute x times 50, it equals to 50x. And x times negative x, it equals to negative x squared. After that, the third step is to find its derivative. So we're going to use this. How to find the derivative? By looking at this. So what is the derivative of 50x? It equals to 50. The derivative of x squared, so it's 2x. After that, we need to equate. This is the third step and we need to equate it to 0. After equating to 0, ato i-transpose and ato i-divide by 2. Ano naman 2 ato i-divide? Para x na ni sila, mahilo sila 0 because 2 divided by 2, it equals to 0, so x na lang mabilin. So 50 divided by 2, it equals to 25. Meaning to say, x is equals to 25. Pwede ba we need to find y. The value of y. So, di ba muna itong y? So, y is equals to 50 minus x. And given naman itong x, our x is 25. So 50 minus 25, it equals to 25. So is this the answer? Is this the possible answer na mo equal sa maximum product? So yes. Because if we check 25 times 25, 625. Just for example, if mo ingon taog 40 times 10. 40 times 10, it equals to 400. So meaning to say, mas dako jud ini. This is the product maximum of this problem. So thus, the two real numbers is 25. So that is the example number 1. So this is the example number 2. The sum of two non-negative numbers is 10. Find the minimum sum of cubes of two numbers. So let x be the first value and let the y be the second value. So x plus y is equals to 10 because considering the two positive numbers. And ngayon man to find the sum of cubes of two numbers. So we need to have this equation. X cubed plus y cubed equals to the sum. So this represents the one variable para masayo nato nga ma-answer. After having that, we need to transpose. I-transpose na to ang x. So meaning to say, if ito i-transpose, ma-negative siya. After transposing, ato ni gamit to na formula. Ato i-substitute na dayon. So x cubed plus tan minus x cubed. After having this, we need to find a derivative. To find a derivative, we need to look at this. So what is the derivative of x cubed? The derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. The derivative of tan minus x cubed, we need to use the chain rule. The chain rule is, ato ipagawas ang 3, and 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So meaning, 3 ni dire, may 1 ni 2 dire. And to find the derivative of this, ang derivative ani is equals to negative 1. After having that equation, we need to equate to 0. Ato siya i-equate to 0. Para mas madali ta, atong i-times o 1/3. Ato i-times o 1/3 para mo dali atong pag-solve. So, 1/3 times 0 is equals to 0. 1/3 times 3x squared. So, may mo na lang og x squared. So, 1/3 times this. So, ato i-cancel lang 3. So, mabilin na lang kaya 10 minus x squared. But this is the binomial. This is a binomial equation, so we need to expand it. So, kani, and what is the, so kani pag-answer ani, ato i-expand. 10 squared is equals to 100. 10x minus x times 2 is 20x, and x times x is x squared. So, the same. Ato i-cancel. So, we only have this, negative 100 plus 20x. After having that, we need to find the critical value. So, ato siya i-transpose, and ato i-divide by 20. Why 20? Para makancel din sila, mabili na lang ang x. So, after cancelling, 20 divided by 20, 0. And 100 divided by 20 is equals to 5. Meaning to say, x is equals to 5. For x pa man na, wala pa man ang y. So let's find the value of y. So this is y is equals to 10 minus x. Given naman ang x is 5. So 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. So let's try to answer. So 5 na ang y, 5 na ang 5 na po ng x. So ato sila i-cube. 5 cube plus 5 cube is equals to 250. So let's find out if muna ba na ang minimum sum. Because if we use 9 cube plus 1 cube, malay ang mugawas. This is 730. So, we need to say this is the minimum daw. Muna yung pinaka-small. The answer is 250. The answer is 250 when cubing the 5. So, thus, the minimum sum of cubes is 5. So that's it. Thank you for listening.
Good day everyone. Good day Miss. I'm Arabelle Talip from ST11 P7. I'm here to discuss what is the optimization and Later on, I will give an example about the optimization real life problem. First thing, I'm going to explain to you what is an optimization. In optimization problems, we are looking for the largest value or the smallest value that a function can take. The selection of the best elements based on a particular criterion from a set of available alternatives. That's all about the optimization. Good day, Miss. I'm here to explain or to show you my optimization real life problem. A farmer has 2,400 feet of fencing and wants to fence a rectangular field that borders a straight river. He needs no fences along the river. What are the dimensions of the field that has the largest area? For example, this is the rectangular and there's 3 borders because you can see in the problem, it needs no fences along the river, so this no fences. A equals xy, we get xy here, x and y. P equals x, 1x plus 2y. P is equals to 2,400 equals x plus 2y. And you can see here, you transfer 2y here and it's become negative 2y equals x. And here, you transfer x in the first equals 2y minus 2,400 minus 2y. The A is 2,000 minus 2y, parentheses, y. A equals 2,400y minus 2y squared, y squared because it's have 2y. And A1 equals 2,400 minus 4y because 2y squared equals 4y. Here, 2,400 minus 4y equals 0. As you can see here, the next minus 4y equals minus 2,400. You can see 4 minus 4 cross and minus negative 2,400 divided by negative 4 equals y equals 600. So you can see here the x, this is the y, and the x is 2,400 minus 2 is 2 parentheses 600. You get the 600 because of the y equals 2,400 minus 2 parentheses 600 equals 1 2 equals 2,400 minus 1,200 equals 1 2. The A is equals 1 parentheses 1,200 parentheses 600 parentheses equals 720,000 feet. I think that's all. Hoping that you understand my problem.